Hey there, fellow painters and business owners. Ever wondered how to safeguard your painting business from unexpected accidents, injuries, or legal hassles? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of painter insurance, your one-stop solution to protect your creative enterprise. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with your paintbrush, join us as we walk you through how to get painter's insurance in the United States. Step 1. Understanding your coverage needs. First things first, let's break down the insurance coverage that's tailor-made for painters. You see, painter insurance isn't just one size fits all, it's about covering the unique risks your business faces. Our insurance packages typically include general liability, protects you from accidents and basic risks, like injuries or property damage, whether you're at a client's place or your studio. It's often required by clients. Contractors E&O, that's errors and omissions insurance. If a client claims you used the wrong color or paint type, this coverage helps defend you and covers related expenses. Commercial auto, if you're on the move with business-owned vehicles, this coverage is a must. It helps with medical expenses and repairs in case of accidents. Workers' compensation, mandatory in most states, this one covers your employees in case of workplace injuries. Tools and equipment, got gear? This coverage protects your valuable tools, whether they're in your truck, trailer, or on-site. Commercial property, if you own or rent a space for your business, this covers your equipment, inventory, and even the building itself. Step 2. The nitty-gritty details. Now, let's delve deeper into the specifics of each coverage. General liability, this is like your artistic shield. It covers medical payments, property damage, and legal fees if accidents happen. Contractors E&O, think of it as your oops, my bad coverage. If your color choices end up being not so picture perfect, this has your back. Commercial auto, zooming around for work? Your personal auto insurance won't cut it. This covers medical expenses, collision repairs, and more. Workers' compensation protects both you and your team, providing medical bill coverage and lost wages in case of accidents. Tools and equipment safeguards your tools from theft, damage, or loss while you're on the go. Commercial property, whether you own or rent a space, this covers your equipment, inventory, and the building from unforeseen disasters. Step 3. Saving smarts, bundle up. Now, let's talk about being savvy with your coverage. Did you know you can save up to 10% by bundling 2 or more policies? Yep, that's right. Mix and match the coverage that suits your business like a perfectly blended palette. Step 4. Counting the cost. But, you might be wondering, how much does painter insurance cost? Well, it's like choosing colors for your masterpiece, it varies. The factors that influence your premium include the types of projects you work on, project locations, payroll and job types of your employees, number and types of vehicles you use for work. Step 5. Meeting legal requirements. Here's where it gets crucial. Painters often need insurance due to the nature of their work. You might need insurance to obtain a painter's license in your state. Start working on a project. Clients may ask for active insurance, especially general liability or workers' compensation. Hire employees. Most states require workers' compensation coverage. Drive for business purposes. If you're using business-owned vehicles, you'll likely need commercial auto insurance. Protect your property, whether it's inventory, equipment, or the space you lease or own. Step 6. Unlocking discounts. And now, a little tip for the savvy entrepreneur. Did you know you can unlock discounts of up to 25% on painter's insurance? Yep, by shopping smart, bundling policies, and keeping your records squeaky clean, you can paint yourself a pretty good deal. And there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to get painter's insurance in the United States. Remember, painting is your passion, but protecting your business is your responsibility. With the right insurance coverage, you can focus on your artistic strokes without the worry of unexpected setbacks. So go ahead, brush up on your insurance knowledge and paint your business with confidence. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.